Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your TOZO Crystal Pods. So firstly, remove it from the charger case, of course, and we should turn off it, so press and hold for both of the earbuds for at least 5 seconds. Now we can see this red LED light here, so it means that we turn off it, and now press and hold it for at least 10 seconds to perform a hard reset. So, and we can also check it by this LED light here. Here we go. Now, we should firstly remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that press and hold both of touch areas to turn on your earbuds. Here we go, and now it automatically entered to pairing mode, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!